Hey, John Deere Man 2009, and I just got my wood stove completed today. I had it hooked up to the generator and the blower is working fine. Right now I got a fire in it, of course to test out the blower and also to cure the paint and the stove gasket for the doors. And we'll take a little look-see around and I'll show you the fire. Now who wouldn't like to cozy up to that with a hot cup of coffee on a cold winter day? I know I sure would. But I think it turned out pretty good, so. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Take care, guys.